For my exponential growth activity, I'll be transforming the function y equals 2x to the function y equals negative 2, bracket 2 to the power of 1 over 2x minus 1, bracket plus 2. So this will consist of a flip over the x-axis, a horizontal stretch by a factor of 2, or a vertical stretch by a factor of 2, a horizontal stretch by a factor of 1 over 2 or 2, a horizontal translation 1 to the right, and a vertical translation up 2. So here I have where my graph will go and my t-charts. The writing there is just my x values that will stay the same the whole time. So first, I'll just do the base function. So when x equals 0, y equals 1. When x equals 2, y equals 4. And when x equals 4, y equals 16. Next step will be my vertical stretch. So this kind of doubles everything. Well, it does double everything. So when x equals 0, y equals 2. When x equals 4, when x equals 2, y equals 8, and when x equals 4, y equals 32. Next, I'll be doing my horizontal stretch, which will bring things back down, and it will widen it. So when x equals 0, y equals 2. When x equals 2, y equals 4. And when x equals 4, y equals 8. Next, I'll be doing my flip over the x-axis. So this will just change all of those y values to negative. So x equals 0, y equals negative 2. X equals 2, y equals negative 4. And x equals 4, y equals negative 8. Next, I'll be doing my horizontal translation to the right. So everything here moves to the right. X equals 0, y equals negative 1. X equals 2, y equals negative 2. X equals 4, y equals negative 4. Next will be my vertical translation, and this will move everything up by 2. So, when x equals when x equals 0, y equals negative 1 plus 2, so 1. X equals 2, y equals negative 2 plus 2, so 0. And when x equals 4, y equals negative 4 plus 2, so negative 2. So those will be the points I'll be using to graph. So I'll graph this quickly. So my final graph will have points at 0, 1, 2, 0, and 4, negative 2. A little bit of trouble with my pencil. There we go. Oh, broke again. Oh my gosh, broke again. What is going on? All right, here we go. So the graph will look something like this, and I'll just mark the points. Make it clear. So it'll end up looking like this. With the points at 0, 1, 2, 0, 4, negative 2. So that is the transformation of y equals 2 to the power of x to y equals negative 2, bracket 2 to the power of 1/2 x minus 1 plus 2. Thank you very much.